Welcome to the daily review from KASM Capital. The US markets reverses the US dollar. The movement in Bitcoin as well as trends in oil and gold, as given by the founder director Dr. Mann.
Morning, how's everybody? How are we doing? I hope you've had a good start to the week. It's an eventful start. The shutdown is dragging on. The markets, like I said yesterday, were initially shrugging off the shutdown, but now they seem to be getting a bit nervous. And I did say that there would be a bit of a dip in the markets, and there has been a dip in all three markets, even though Nasdaq and the S&P 500 rallied quite a bit on the basis of the AI fever. They did rally quite a bit yesterday, but even they have started to come down overnight. And the Dow was already down yesterday and is down a bit more today. I think the dip is there, and it's going to maybe we're going to get a bit more of a dip, but I think this dip will be bought very quickly. So don't expect this dip to last very long. I think the dip will be bought around at some point today, and the market will rise again. And that's on the markets. The gold prices went again, they continued to climb, but they've had a bit of a pullback as well. And same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin when reached an all-time high of 126K and has now come down to 123K. But again, like I said with the markets, there is going to be a bit of a pullback, but the dip will be bought pretty quickly because obviously everybody's expecting a rate cut at the end of this month. So the dip will be bought pretty quickly. Oil prices are remaining pretty much static. Nothing new on the oil front. US dollar is gaining against the euro because of all the upheaval in France and the political uncertainty in Europe. So because of that, the US dollar is gaining. So on the whole, I think markets, Bitcoin, gold, I think there'll be a bit more of a pullback. I said yesterday there will be a pullback, so there was. There'll be a bit more today, but then I think this dip will be bought. So be ready to buy the dip. The US dollar will probably gain further today. So go long on the dollar. You should make decent gains there, and the oil prices will probably remain static. There shouldn't be much movement there today.